Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone's doing good. I'm okay, kinda, not really, but we're gonna get through this. Today is Friday, and every Friday for about roughly 2.5, 3 months, myself, Unique Whimsy, and Done Age Creates, we're doing a collaboration called Crafting with Maggie, where we use all or most of Maggie Home products and create things. This week's prompt is circus themed, and the reason why it's circus is because of carousel. So carousel is kind of like theme park, amusement park, or whatever. And the project that I had envisioned to create, I couldn't create. I haven't been able to think this whole week. So I'm only working on collaboration projects versus brandy projects. But I promise you, I'm gonna get myself out of this mental state of whatever and craft to my heart's content. I have been crafting, but the videos have not been what I want to be represented as, upbeat, happy. I know that everything won't always be unicorns and rainbows. I know that, but I don't want to be so woe is me. Life sucks. It's not great. I don't like that kind of mentality, and I just try to push through everything. So I'm pushing through, and I created something I think is really, really cute. Again, the project that I wanted to make, I couldn't visualize it as best, so I made a little book, and I was trying to stay away from books because what collaboration isn't a good collaboration without a book being in there. So this is my little creation. I use mostly carousel stuff, and I use 4 envelopes. Now my edges are off for some reason, so I'm thinking the envelopes are not all the same size, which kind of sucks. But I think at the bottom what I'll do is I think I couldn't find it, but I think I have some Maggie Holmes pom pom. If not, I have some pink something to go here, a fiber of some sort to go there. So what I've done is I'll explain to you what I did. I cut up, this is one whole page from a 12 by 12. I thought I had a 6 by 6, but I guess I didn't. And I cut this up. I fussy cut it out and I put it behind there. And then this comes from the carousel pack. And I just cut that, and I cut around it with my ticket scissors, I think it's called. That's what I call them, but they're just edge trimmers. And then in the inside, it opens up to this, and I used the Love Nicole. They have a carousel, they have a merry-go-round, they have these little horses, and they have tickets. It's 5 pieces. It's something else that I've missed on here. Wait, let's see, 1, 2, 3. No, so they have 2 different horses, this and then I thought these colors went well together. These die cuts, I glued this one down. I put 3 little tickets behind here, inked up the edges, and put date night. I thought this would be a cute little book to put little things in that none of the pockets work on the envelopes. I covered them up purposefully. And then this one says free to every ride at the fair, so you get a free ticket. I just thought that would be really cute. Guess the correct number of balloons tied to the ticket booth. Winner announced at 11 a.m. So that's really cool right here. And then this is taped down. So some of the pages are lifting up a little bit because I had to finagle this horse in, but the horses are glued down in there. And then here is just a little spot that you can write a note. I made some balloons from the scan and cut. I don't think I have a balloon punch, so if you're wondering why, I don't even think I have a balloon die. I'll look into that and see. And then right here I took a Project Life card and cut it down and kind of made it like the ticket thing. And I always like to put like a picture area. So this says happy memory number, whatever. And this is a photo frame that works. Now the problem with that is that Brandy didn't glue it down right. It should have come over on the side, but it actually comes through this way. Let's use an appropriate size frame. Thing to put the picture in. So you have to slide your picture in through here, and it should fit in there perfectly depending on the size of the picture. And then I thought, it would be good to have it from this side versus this side, so in case it slides out, you don't have to worry about that. And then I fussy cut another little hot air balloon, and I glued it around the frame versus on the actual paper. And this is just one of those little pieces, a little horse, and it says you and me. I thought that'd be really cute for a photo to go there. And then this is an actual pocket, a tuck pocket or a tuck spot where whoever can put notes in. Another balloon, and this is a ticket, and it says the perfect day, and you could put a little picture there or even your real ticket stubs behind here. And then on this page, it's just another little tuck spot pocket that you could put whatever you want. I don't know what was going, I'm really distracted mentally more so than anything else. So I'm not sure why my measurements for some reason didn't measure properly, even though I measured them a few times. So the pages are a little bit off. So I was going to mail this out, but I'm not sure if she'll want it. She's going to watch the video and she can just let me know in the email she wants it. Because I have all of the projects going to a particular person and she knows already who she is. So that is my little creation. Now hopefully I can get this thing uploaded in time because I've been having problems uploading my YouTube videos in a timely manner. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Please check out the description box and go and see what Dawn and Carla have created. I'm quite sure it's something very cute. I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.